Hi, so today I am with little Lily and we're going to show you how to do a cute bun hairstyle. So I'm starting off by parting the hair, but I'm going to part the hair diagonally. So not straight down the middle. I'm starting off on the right hand side, finishing on the left. Do my very best to get this straight, but as we know, that is not my strong suit. So it might be a little bit wonky, but who cares? Let's just move on. So I'm going to start off with the right hand side, so pinning the left hand side out of my way. And this is going to be the low bun. So you're going to start off by just sort of smoothing the hair down, making sure it's all in place, and then putting a hair tie there. That's it, nice and tight. We don't want it to move. And then we're going to do a twist braid, which is breaking the hair into two. And then you're going to twist to the right, cross over the left. So twisting that right strand and just crossing it over the left strand. Do that all the way down, again, nice and tight until you get to the bottom. And then just place a little elastic just to secure that. And then we're going to twist it round. So I'm twisting it to the right so the twist doesn't come undone. So twisting it around itself. Don't worry about the tail yet. Keep twisting around, and then you're going to tuck that tail underneath that bun. And then you're going to get a hair grip and you're going to push it through the bun first and then the hair on the head and then push down. Do that 3 or 4 times. Then we're going to come to the top ponytail. So I'm just using a little bit of hair wax here just to smooth the hair down. Make sure you get that comb. Make sure this ponytail is really nice and tight and neat with no hairs sort of frizzing up or out of place. And then you're going to place that hair into another ponytail, again keeping it nice and tight. We want this style to be super neat. And so there we go, one more turn there. Then you're going to do another twist braid, so twist to the right, cross over the left, secure the end of that with another elastic, and then you're going to again twist that bun around, so keeping it nice and tight, holding it down as I'm twisting around, tucking that tail in, using those hair grips just to pin that into place again, making sure it's all nice and secure. And then you can use whatever hair accessories you fancy. We went for a little pink bow here. We did one at the top of each bun. I think that looks really cute. And there we go. We're going to do a little spin for you. Lily's sitting nice and straight. I said sit up nice and straight, Lily, and look at her. Perfect little hair model here. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I'll see you again soon.